Hello there, Brent Long in Life with another sales proverb. This one coming to us from Proverbs 23:23. Buy the truth and sell it not. Also, wisdom and instruction and understanding. We always ask, what's this have to do with sales? Sales and the relationship building process and the service to others must always be based on the truth. We are to acquire truth, operate from the truth. See, here's the deal. In sales, people take shortcuts. In sales, often people prioritize getting the deal for their own self-serving interest rather than serving the other person. Never compromise on truth and wisdom just to get temporary gains or temporary pleasures. It might feel good to do something to somebody in the middle of a sales call using techniques and tricks and tips and all that kind of stuff, right? However, that is a temporary pleasure. It's a temporary gain. Never compromise on the truth when it comes to serving other people. Good selling. God bless.